Hi everyone and welcome to today's Qigong practice. Today we're going to do the lower body routine. We're going to work on those hips. We're going to increase circulation to the legs, nourish the joints, and of course a little bit on balance and coordination. But before we begin, guys, if you enjoy my videos and you would like to see more free Qigong videos on YouTube, consider subscribing. And if you'd like to try something new, expand your practice, join me live on Zoom every Sunday, then consider joining my membership site. You can find all the details right in this corner and get all the information you need. Okay, go ahead and get ready and let's move those legs.
Stand up nice and straight, relax your whole body. Soften your knees and tuck your tailbone in so you can relax your lower back. Relax your neck and shoulders. Then tuck your chin in to lengthen through the back of the neck and the crown of the head is pointing upwards. Take a moment to ground yourself and settle in for the practice. Begin turning your body from side to side. Stay relaxed and loose. Remember to start the momentum from your legs first. Every time you turn, keep your knees comfortably bent. Relax your neck and your shoulders, allowing your hands to naturally follow the body. Bring your attention to your spine. Imagine a nice straight line that your body rotates around. Slow down the movement and come back to center. Then go ahead and stretch upwards. Come up on your toes, lengthening through the spine and the crown of the head. Release and soften down. One more time. Go up. Lengthening through the body. And soften. Let your whole body relax. Then make your hands into a loose fist. We're going to knock across the abdomen and the lower back. Bend your knees every time you tap. And add the breathing. Inhale through the nose. Exhale out the mouth every time you tap. This exercise helps to stimulate the acupressure points located on the back and the front of the abdomen. These points are very good for energy activation and improve circulation to the back and the internal organs. Slow down the movement and relax. Then shake off your legs to the side, rub your hands together. Then gently knock on the head. Relax your hands by the side. Next, we're gonna do hip rotation. Keep your feet parallel and firm on the ground. Your knees are fairly straight. And bring your attention to your hips. Take it easy here and slow down so you can feel the movement. Feel the muscles that are engaged to make the rotation. Feel your hips loosening up and relax every time you turn. Then change the direction. Slow down here and return to center. Next, we're gonna do knee circles. Keep your hands on your knees and circle around gently. Then pause, push your knees out, and go in the opposite direction. Very good. Press out one more time. Then bend your knees and raise up with your head straight. Relax, step out. Next, we're gonna do toe raises. Come up on your toes, keep in a good posture. Release and come back down. Repeat the movement slow and steady so you can feel the muscles that are engaged to support you, keep you balanced. One more time, go up and relax. Very good. Next, gentle squats. Make sure when you go down, keep your lower back nice and relaxed, using the strength of your legs. Release, go down again. Make sure your spine is long and your head is upright. One more time. Next, we're going to combine all the elements into one movement. Bird leaves its nest. Inhale, squat down, hands go up. Exhale, come up on your toes, lengthening through the spine and the crown of the head. Exhale as you raise up. Inhale as you squat down. Keep your breath slow and relaxed and the movement gentle. Find the rhythm to link your breath to the movement. Breathe in. Breathe out. One more time. Breathe in and breathe out. Then let your hands relax. Go ahead and shake off your legs to the side. Next, we're gonna do leg raises. Take it easy here. Make sure you're comfortable and balanced. We're also going to add the breathing to it. Inhale when your leg goes up. Exhale when you relax down. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Continue for a few more seconds. One more time. Breathe in and out. Let your legs relax for a moment. Then bring your feet together. Go ahead and lift your leg up, open to the side and relax down. Same here. Inhale as your leg goes up. Exhale as you relax down. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. This exercise is good for opening the hips. It also tests your balance and coordination. Remember to stay as relaxed as possible and only go to a point that feels comfortable. And as you practice this regularly, your range of motion will increase. One more time. Breathe in. Breathe out. Relax your foot down. Let your legs rest. And we can release some of that build-up tension through tapping. So gently knock on your hips, then top of the glutes. Slowly go down the sides of the legs, just below the kneecap. Repeat one more time, starting from the hips to the back and down the sides of the legs. Stand up straight. Then go ahead and gently knock the back of the leg. This exercise is very beneficial if you're sitting a lot or driving a lot, so a few minutes of gentle tapping can really boost circulation and release some of that stagnant energy in the legs. Go ahead and do the same on the other side. And relax. You can relax your hands by shaking them off. Relax your wrists and your fingers. Then go ahead and take a nice full breath in through the nose. Exhale and gently bounce off. Breathe in and out. This bouncing effect helps to release the spine and loosen the muscles. It also creates a subtle vibration throughout the body, which is beneficial for internal organs. One more time, breathe in and out. Then bring your feet together, squat down and gently tap the knees. This exercise helps to stimulate the meridians that run over the inside of the legs. It's good for digestion, liver, and kidneys. Release. Repeat one more time. Release. Then turn to the side and raise your hands up. Turn and gently squat down using your legs. Inhale as you go up. Exhale as you gently sink down. Continue the movement, breathing deeply into your belly, staying relaxed and present in your body. Remember to keep your lower back as relaxed as possible. I want you to use your legs as much as you can. Breathe in. Breathe out and down. And then pause and change the direction. Keep breathing as your legs have to work extra hard here. Breathe in as you go up. Breathe out and down. This is how it looks from the side. If you can see, my back remained fairly straight and relaxed. I use my legs to go down. This exercise helps to strengthen the muscles of the legs and back and improve shoulder mobility. One more time, breathe in and breathe out. Then step out to the side and take a moment to relax the body and notice how you feel. You should feel a pleasant sensation running down your back, hips, and into your legs. Then bring your hands to the lower abdomen and gently massage around. Feel the warmth from your hands on your belly and bring your awareness to the area. Then change the direction. Then slide to the back and gently massage the kidneys and the lower back. In traditional Chinese medicine, the kidney health is linked to our energy and vitality. So gentle massage helps to tonify the kidneys and naturally increase our energy levels. Then go ahead and push the lower back forward, look up. Release and let your hands slide down the back of the legs. Go as low as you can. Then let your fingers brush your toes and let go to lengthen through the spine. Slowly come up. bringing your awareness back to the lower abdomen. Then go ahead and repeat. Push forward, open the chest to the sky. Bend forward and feel the warmth from your hands sliding down the back of your legs. Let your fingers point down towards the ground. Then slowly come up, bringing the warmth to the belly. Repeat one more time. This exercise is also beneficial if you suffer from lower back pain or any bladder-related problems. Take your time here to lengthen and stretch the back. Then slowly raise up, keeping your back fairly straight. Then relax your whole body and take a moment here to rest and notice how your body feels. Then take a nice full breath in. Exhale, let your hands flow down the center. Breathe in, gathering the energy around you. Breathe out, let it fill your whole body. Breathe in, visualize as if your whole body is breathing now. And let your breath and awareness fill your whole body. Breathe in and out. Then pause and place both hands on your belly. Rest here in the feelings of comfort, ease, and presence. Relax the muscles of the neck and back. Soften your hips and relax your legs. Then bring your feet together. Relax your hands by the side and finish your practice.